In this section, you'll learn about the calculators and graphing tools available to you during the Keystone Algebra 1 exam. These tools are designed to help you solve problems more efficiently and accurately. First, you will explore the calculator tools, then you will look at the graphing tools. During the test, you may have access to different types of calculators. These include a basic calculator, a scientific calculator, and a graphing tool. Each calculator offers different features, so it's important to use the one that best fits the problem you are solving. Important note: during the following Keystone training videos, some examples may reference the PSSA instead of the Keystone exam. These are used interchangeably by the Department of Education and DRC because the procedures are the same for both assessments.
Above the test question is a calculator button. It is available to you during certain portions of the online test. The basic calculator is a 4-function calculator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also has the ability to recognize both positive and negative numbers. Use the pointer tool or your keyboard to press the buttons like you would with a physical calculator. The calculator can also be repositioned as needed. Above the test question is a calculator button. It is available to you during certain portions of the online test. You can select from the basic calculator or the scientific calculator. The scientific calculator is a comprehensive calculator with the ability to perform exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, and combinatoric functions, as well as the 4 arithmetic functions. Additional trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, and the factor function are displayed after the function tab is selected. The calculator can also be repositioned as needed. Ask your teacher about having an opportunity to practice using this tool before taking a test by participating in an online tools training. The graphing tool is available to you during certain portions of the online test. It is designed to graph functions when solved for the y variable and has the ability to give corresponding y values for given x values. Enter the expression in the available row. The expression will automatically display on the graph. To enter additional expressions, use the available rows provided. From the graph pane, the pointer can be moved to different values of the x variable. Some features of the graph, such as x-intercepts, y-intercepts, and points of intersection, are plotted as gray points. Clicking on one of these gray points shows the ordered pair associated with that point. Ask your teacher about having an opportunity to practice using this tool before taking a test by participating in an online tools training.
You may also use graphing tools during the test. These include a coordinate grid and a number line plot. These tools can help you visualize relationships, plot points, and better understand mathematical concepts.
Some questions will ask you to plot points in a graph. Construct your response by using the tools shown above the graph. You can add points, lines, line segments, and line extensions, also called rays. Plot points on the graph using your pointer. Then use your pointer to add lines. Use the pointer tool to select the line type. Select a point on the coordinate grid and drag to rotate the line. Release when you have completed your line. Use the undo and redo buttons to go backwards or forwards, one step at a time. To start over, select the Clear All button. Some questions will ask you to record data on a line plot. Use the pointer tool to add a mark on the line plot to represent the data that you want to show. You can remove marks on the line plot by selecting the mark with the pointer tool. To start over, select the Clear All button.